Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your brain? Look no further than Neuralink, the revolutionary technology that is changing the game when it comes to brain-computer interfaces. With Neuralink, you can use your mind to control your devices, communicate faster and more efficiently, and even enhance
one day with this chip. It's a brain-machine interface, or BMI, a device that connects your brain to a computer. But before chasing these superhuman goals, Neuralink is focused on one thing: sight, hearing, touch, smell, taste are electrical signals sent by neurons to our brain. But sometimes the signals are not wired correctly. Neuralink wants to rewire the circuit so that the paralyzed walk, the blind see, the deaf hear, as well as treat other neurological disorders such as depression, insomnia, Alzheimer's. The battery lasts a full day and can be charged inductively as you sleep, possibly by wearing a nightcap, according to Musk, although it may not look exactly like this one. The prototype is different than 2019's. That one required an external earpiece, whereas the latest version or threads, are 10 times thinner than human hair and represent electrodes. The electrodes figure out what's happening in the brain by reading the signals sent by the neurons and then stimulating as many neurons as possible. This technology is not new, but what makes Neuralink drastically different from other neural interfaces is that it will insert significantly more electrodes to stimulate neurons on a scale never seen before. As a comparison, Utah Array is considered one of the best BMIs out there right now and has been used to study conditions like epilepsy. It has around 100 electrode channels, whereas the current version of Neuralink has more than 1,000 and possibly much more in the future. Also, the threads are thinner and more flexible, greatly reducing the risk of piercing blood vessels and potentially causing catastrophic damage. But that doesn't mean humans are capable of the precision required for surgery. At the eventual cost of a few $1,000s to the patient, this robot could one day do the entire operation in under an hour, leaving the normal pig is like without Neuralink.
So here's Dorothy.
Dorothy used to have the device, but no longer. Dorothy used to have the device, but no longer, and she appears to act just like Joyce.
Gertrude, are you serious?
Then there's Gertrude, the one who's had an implant for 2 months. It took her a while to get with the program.
The beauty of live demos. Gertrude, thanks for coming out.
The beeps are signals from the area of her brain linked to her snout, so when she ate or sniffed the straw, the activity showed up on the graph. The implant has also helped the team predict the limb movements of a pig on a treadmill with what they describe as a high degree of accuracy, but it still remains to be seen how people respond to it. Neuralink has to get a stamp of approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to start human trials.